In this video, I'm going to teach you how to enable virtualization in Windows 11 AORUS. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Enabling virtualization on any AORUS board is extremely simple. This will also work with any other Gigabyte branded board that you have and possibly other brands as well. So to do this, first enter the BIOS. So reboot your PC and then press delete or F2 while it is booting up to go inside of the BIOS. If this doesn't work, then check the manual to see which combination of keys you have to press to access the BIOS on your particular motherboard model. Now, you will be in the AORUS BIOS. If you aren't in advanced mode by default, then check the bottom right corner of the screen and you will be able to toggle between easy and advanced mode. Usually there's going to be a dedicated button, or you can try pressing F2. Now, once you are in advanced mode, go over to Tweaker. So at the top of the screen, switch over to Tweaker. And you will have plenty of options here. Virtualization is going to be available under Advanced CPU Settings. So choose this option here. So use the arrow keys up and down to highlight it, and then press Enter. Or if you have your cursor available, select it here. Now, you will see virtualization labeled as SVM mode. According to the description, this enables or disables CPU virtualization. All that you have to do now is swap this from disabled to enabled. Extremely simple to do, and once you have this option changed, be sure to save and exit. So before exiting the BIOS, save the changes. And now virtualization will be enabled. You can check this at any time by opening up Task Manager, and under CPU on the performance category, you'll see it here. Now I have it disabled for my PC, but this option here, virtualization, should change for you if you did the steps properly. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us on the channel make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.